sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the title of this lesson? It's a
Tansen. Tansen.
and it's a chapter. Okay.
Sir, lesson number 5.
Lesson number 5. And
Yes, sir.
yes, packed with the sun. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
all of you know
NCERT.
about Tansen.
Yes.
Sir, he is a famous singer in India, sir.
He was, isn't it?
Sir,
He was a
Tansen was a famous singer in the
Background
Akbar court.
sir.
Sorry,
singer,
Akbar
musician.
court.
He can
Akbar
imitate.
court, sir. Akbar court. Akbar
Yes,
court.
code. Very good.
He was one of the Navratna, sir. He was one of the Navratna.
One of the
Sir,
Navratna.
he
Very good.
Nagadipa he singed, sir.
Yes.
He has sang Ragadipa, sir.
Okay, Raga Deepak, right. So, you know that he was the one, yes, who was a very famous musician who was there in Akbar's court. Yes, a famous singer and musician. Okay, so now we are going to this story, and the title of the story is Tansin. So Tansen was the only child of his parents. So only one child, that was Tansen. Okay, he was quite naughty when he was a child, but he was very talented. He was naughty, he was mischievous, but he was very talented. Yes, and he imitated the calls of birds. Yeah, I can see some of you are chatting very good that time, and he could imitate the calls of birds and animals perfectly. Okay. Once he tried to frighten a group of travelers. So what
Yes,
he's
sir.
done? So few points here. He wanted to frighten a group of travelers by roaring like a tiger. So by roaring like a tiger, what he has done? He tried to frighten a group of travelers. Okay, this lesson is also very important from the examination point of view. Okay, let's go to this lesson. So shall we go to this lesson? Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
right. Harsh Vidyavan says whether I can speak Marathi. Yes, I can speak Marathi. मला मराठी येतं. Don't worry about this. Okay, fine. You may have heard the name of Tansen, the greatest musician our country has produced. So, Tansen was the greatest musician of our country. So he was, yes, he worked in where? He was in Akbar's court, right? And a singer called Mukandan Mishra and his wife lived in Behat near Gwalior. So where did they live? They lived in, yes, Gwalior. And what is his parents' name? Yes, his father's name, Mukandan Mishra. So who was Mukandan Mishra? Mukandan Mishra was Tansen's father. Where did they live? They lived in Behat near Gwalior. Okay, where is Gwalior? In which state Gwalior is there? Gwalior is in Madhya Pradesh, isn't it? So, historic city Gwalior. Tansen was their only child. Tansen was the only child.
Sir, main minister of Madhya Pradesh.
It's in Madhya Pradesh. Gwalior is in Madhya Pradesh. Very good. Okay. It is said that he was a naughty child. So, in his childhood, he was very naughty. He was very mischievous. But he was very talented. Yes. This book is Pact of the Sun. Okay, some not honeysuckle. This is the fifth story in Pact of Sun, and Pact of Sun is full of stories. Okay, Pact of Sun is full of stories. It is in order to create interest in story reading. It's in order to create interest in the story reading. Okay. Now it is said that he was a naughty child. Often he ran away to play in the forest. Often he ran away to play in the forest and soon learned to imitate perfectly the calls of birds and animals. So here you see here, often he liked to play in the forest, and when he was in the forest, he learned to copy the calls of birds, the way the birds, chirp, the way the animals make sound. So he was able to make those sounds and all. So he was able to do mimicry. He was able to imitate the sounds of the birds and animals. So let's go to this story here. Right. Can you see the picture? Now here you can see Tansen as a child, and there, yes, some of these singers, musicians, these travelers. So he wanted to, yes, frighten them. He wanted to, yes, frighten those travelers. But then after that, what has happened? That let's see here. Can you see Birbal as a child? A famous singer named Swami Haridas was once traveling through the forest. So, who were those travelers? Swami Haridas was there, and along with him, his disciples were there. Swami Haridas and his disciples, they were traveling. They were the travelers. Tired, so very tired they were, and they were taking the rest. The group settled down to rest in a shady grove. So there were many trees. So they were a group of trees, clump of trees grew. The place was surrounded by trees, and Tansen saw them. So when Tansen saw those travelers taking rest under the shady grove, under the shady trees, yes. So what is the meaning of disciples? शिष्य, हिंदी में हम शिष्य बोलते हैं, मराठीत त्याला शिष्यच
Sir,
म्हणतात.
pupils.
And huh?
Pupils.
What is that?
Pupils.
Pupils. Okay, pupils.
Yes, sir,
Okay,
pupils.
pupils. Shishya. In Kannada also, I think Shishya only we call. Okay, pupils, right? So they were the pupils or students of Swami Haridas, disciples of Swami Haridas, or followers of Swami Haridas, we can say. Okay, strangers in the forest. So Swami Haridas, who was he? He was a holy man. At the same time, he was a famous singer. He was a famous musician. And he said to himself, strangers in the forest. It will be fun to frighten them. So you see here, this boy, Tansen, always liked to go to forest. And he thought that all these people who were there, these travelers, they were the strangers there in the forest. So it would be fun if he frightens them, and then these people would run away. That is what he thought. And then he hid behind a tree. Where was he? He was hiding behind a tree and roared like a tiger. He started roaring like a tiger. The little group of travelers scattered in fear. So the little group of travelers, they started, running away in fear. But Swami Haridas called them together. Swami Haridas called them, and he told them, "Don't be afraid. Tigers are not always dangerous. It is not that all the time they are very dangerous. Let us look for this one. So if there is a tiger, don't worry about all that. Let's look for one." Yes, Punya Shlok. Yes, happy National Youth Day. Yes. So yes, Swami.
Sir,
Yes,
Swami
Punya
Vivekananda
Shlok.
birthday, sir.
Swami
It's a Swami
Vivekananda's
Vivekananda's
birthday.
birthday, and it is celebrated as National Youth Day. Very good. So I'm very happy that yes, that
Sir,
what
today is Vivekananda birthday, sir. And
Swami
the youth today,
Vivekananda's
sir.
birthday. Very good. So, what is the meaning of shady grove? Shade,
And the youth today,
shade.
sir.
Now, grove is a group of trees. Grove is group of trees. The place was surrounded by trees, and it was full of shade. So, shade. So what was there? There was a shade, and it was, yes, because these people, probably it was quite afternoon, very hot afternoon, and they took shelter there under the tree. So yes, it was shady place where, yes, group of trees were there, and they are, yes, they have taken shelter under the tree there. So here, what has happened? Let's see here the story. We'll move on to the story now. So yes. So here, Swami Haridas, you see, this boy, he makes a sound. He makes a sound of what? He makes a sound of a tiger. He starts roaring like a tiger. But his mimicry or his, yes, he was so talented that really some of these disciples, some of these, pupils, students of Swami Haridas, they felt that, yes, it was really a tiger and they wanted to run away. So they scattered, they spread, they are in fear and they wanted to run away. At that time, Swami Haridas says, don't be afraid, don't worry. Tigers are not always dangerous. So let us look if there is any tiger, let us look for that tiger. And then what has happened when they tried to find out, they found that there was a small boy who was hiding behind a tree. So what this small boy was doing, he was hiding behind a tree, and then the disciples said, there are no tigers here. Only this mischievous boy, only this naughty boy is there. Okay, so this way we have completed the first part, right? So what has happened here? There was a naughty boy. So his childhood, Tansen's childhood. So what he has done, he wanted to frighten Swami Haridas disciples. Swami Haridas also he wanted to frighten, and then they caught hold of this boy. Now here, Tansen also became the disciple of Swami Haridas. So who was Guru or who was teacher of Tansen? That was Swami Haridas. So he has taken training. Yes, he has learnt music from Swami Haridas for how many years? For 11 years. He has yes learnt music from Swami Haridas. And then after that, he stayed with a holy man called Muhammad Ghosh. Then after that, he has married Husseini, one of the ladies in the court of Rani Mragnaini. Okay, so let's go to this part, that second part of that. Okay, shall we move on to the second part of the story now? So you know how the childhood was of Tansing. Okay, who was his father? And yes, then one day he liked to go to one day he went to forest. Then he wanted to frighten the strangers there, the travelers there, who had taken shelter under the shady grove. So they were there taking shelter under the trees. So when they were taking shelter under the trees, then at that time he tried to frighten them. When he tried to frighten them, Swami Haridas said, yes, it's not that all tigers are dangerous. So let us look for that tiger. And then when they wanted to look for the tiger, they found this boy who was imitating the sound. Yes, yes, who was imitating the sound of the tiger. And tigers roar. So he was very talented. Though he was naughty, he was very talented. Now Swami Haridas did not punish him. So what did Swami Haridas do? He went to Tansen's father and said, your son is very naughty. So your son is very mischievous. So what is the mischief he has played? He has produced the sound of a tiger. He was roaring like a tiger. He's also very talented because he can do mimicry, he can copy the calls of the animals. So he is very talented there. I think I can make him a good singer. So Tansen was 10 years old when he went away with Swami Haridas. So when he was 10 years old, he went with Swami Haridas. He lived with him for 11 years, learning music and became a great singer. So who was Tansen? Tansen was a great singer who lived during the times of Akbar. So he was contemporary of Akbar and he was a great singer who was one of the Ratnas. No, nine Ratnas, he was one of the gems who was there in the court of Akbar. At about this time, so when he was 21 years old, during that particular time, when he was learning music from Swami Haridas, at that time his parents died. Mukandan Mishra. So who was Mukandan Mishra? Mukandan Mishra was his father. So who was Tansen's father? Mukandan Mishra. So Mukandan Mishra died. His mother also died. Tansen's mother also died. And his dying wish was that Tansen should visit Muhammad Ghosh of Gwalior. So Mukandan Mishra says, go and visit Muhammad Ghosh of Gwalior. He will also train you. So Muhammad Ghosh was a holy man. Holy man means the pious man who believed in God, God-fearing man. Yes, yes, yes. So very religious person, very spiritual person. So Muhammad Ghosh was very spiritual, and Mukandan Mishra said, now you have learned music from Swami Haridas, you can go to Muhammad Ghosh and you can learn from him too. So while living in Gwalior with Muhammad Ghosh, Tansen was often taken to the court of Rani Mragneni. So he was going to the court of Rani Mragneni, who was a great musician herself. Even Rani Mruganeni was also a great musician. So here you see Tansen was a great singer, Tansen was a great musician. There he met and married one of the ladies of the court. Her name was Husseini. So who was Husseini? Husseini was Husseini was Tansen's wife. Okay. Who was Husseini?
Sir,
Tell. Tell what is the problem?
sir, who was a great musician herself means what, sir?
No? She was a great musician herself. That
Rani
means
Mrigani.
Rani Mriganeni
Yes,
was
sir.
also a musician. She herself was a musician. You see, she was also a musician. See, where Tansen was taken, he was taken to the court of Rani Mriganeni. So Rani Mriganeni was also a musician. So she was also a great musician. And who was a great musician? Tansen was a great musician. Even Rani Mriganeni was also a great musician. Muhammad Ghaus was also a great musician. And whose wish was that? That he should go to Muhammad Ghaus and learn music. Okay. So
Tansen's
they,
father means fish.
Tansen's father Mukandan Mishra. Okay, Tansen's father Mukandan Mishra. So there in the court, he came across or he met Husseini and he got married to Husseini. So Husseini also became Swami Haridas' disciple. So disciple means she also started learning music from Swami Haridas. Tansen and Husseini had 5 children who were all very musical. So all those were great musicians. They also were playing different instruments. So both, Tansen and Husseini, they had 5 children and they were all interested in music. They also pursued their career in music. Okay. Tansen had by this time become very famous. So Tansen had become very famous. Sometimes he sang before Emperor Akbar, who was so impressed by him that he insisted Tansen should join his court. So after that, what has happened? Tansen has joined Emperor Akbar's court. So so Akbar empire, very huge kingdom he had. So that's why empire and Emperor Akbar. Okay, King Akbar, Emperor Akbar. So he had very large empire. That is the reason Emperor Akbar. So one of the gems in his court was Tansen. And who was Tansen? Tansen was a great musician. So now we know Tansen's father's name, Mukandan Mishra, then Tansen's wife's name, Husseini. Yes, who was his guru? Yes, it was Swami Haridas. He learned music, yes, nearly 11 years he spent with Swami Haridas. And then after that, Mukandan Mishra said, you go to Muhammad Ghosh. And he went to Muhammad Ghosh. Yes, his dying wish was that you should go and learn music even from Muhammad Ghosh. And he learned music even from Muhammad Ghosh. Yes, then he went to the court. He was going to the court of, yes, Mriganeni. Yes, Mruganeni, and Mruganeni herself was also what? Musician, great musician. There he came across, or there he met Husseini and he got married to Husseini. Right. Let's move on to the next part now of this story. Now, Tansen was there. Where was he? He was in Akbar's court, one of the gems in Akbar's court, and Tansen became a favorite in Akbar's court. So he was a favorite musician. He was a favorite of Akbar. You know, the wise man, one of the James, Birbal. You know about Birbal, Akbar and Birbal stories. You're all familiar with that. So here it is Akbar and Tansen's story. Okay, this is Akbar and Tansen's story, and one of the James in the court was Tansen. Once he was asked to sing Ragadeep. So what is the specialty of Rag Deepak? So what is the specialty of Rag Deepak? Let's see here. Once he was asked to sing Rag Deepak. Tansen asked his daughter and her friend to sing Rag Megh after Rag Deepak to counteract the effect of the latter. So here this part is very important here because you see here. So earlier part we have seen him his childhood, then after that his adolescence. So when he has learned music, so during yes, so during his music, yes, during his career. So after that, what he does, let's see here. Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556. Am I audible to all of you? Yes, can you? Yes,
Yes,
are you
sir.
able to hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. You are
Yes,
audible, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556. So when did you go to Akbar's court? He went to Akbar's court in 1556.
15.
Ah, right. So so see here, how many years back? Ah, right. So long back, isn't it? Nearly 400 years back, 1556, and soon
Sir,
became great favorite.
444.
Ah, right. So how many years? Just count. Yes, nearly 500 years, isn't it? So 480
Yes,
around
sir.
that.
Near 500, sir.
Ah, nearly 500 years, right? And
Sir,
soon
it's
became
not
a
400, sir.
ah,
It's 4,000, sir.
how 4,000, my dear
No,
fellow.
sir,
It's only
400.
four. Yes,
4,000
nearly
not
500 years, we can say.
400.
400, sir. 400.
Ah, okay. 400 will be 1956, isn't it? So if it's so we can say that 470, 80 around that. So nearly 470 years or 480. So nearly 500 we can say. Tansen went to
Yes, sir.
Akbar's court
Okay,
in
sir.
1556 and soon became a great favorite of the emperor. So I know, and some of you are not very good in maths, I think. Yes, I am English teacher, but yes, I'm wondering.
No, sir, we are
Yes, sir. I
very
am
good
English
at maths
teacher,
as
but
we have
sir, I am
qualified
very
AISS.
Right. You are good at maths, but not all. Okay, few of you. Right. I would have expected you to.
No, sir,
Yes, sir.
some has come for
I
engineering.
can mistakes in
Okay,
Sainik school
Satvik, no
actually.
problem.
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Satvik's voice
Akbar would call
is
upon
loud.
Tansen to sing at any time during the day or night. So Akbar, whenever he loved, he used to call Tansen to sing. Maybe during day or night, he used to call him. Quite often, he would, yes, just walk into Tansen's house to hear him practice. So when Tansen was practicing that time also sometimes is to go there, listen to the music and see when you are very sad and all. Music is very soothing. The melody, you enjoy that melody and all. So some of you, I know that you play different instruments and all. And this particular batch, I've seen that many of you keep on telling me that yes, guitar. Some of you say that you can play on guitar. Some of you say that you can play a flute. I'm very happy that so this
I can.
lesson, yes, guitar. Ishan can play guitar. So this lesson probably, if you are a musician,
I can play harmonium.
yeah, harmonium, very good. So I'm
Can
very
play
happy that some
piano.
of you can play, right? Atharv
Sir,
also.
sir, I am
Piano, sir.
Punesh I can play tabla.
Tabla, okay. Satvik, flute, very
Sir, I
good.
can sing
Sir,
Basuri.
full
Okay,
music team is here,
piano,
sir.
Atharva, piano, my God. Great. So we can have a,
Full
music
musical
club.
team is here, sir.
Music, yes. A troupe. So, yes, troupe will have, right? I can play piano with background music, sir. Okay, background music, Nidhi. All right. I'm very happy that there are two pianists here among us. Okay, good, boys and girls. Okay,
Sir,
let's
I
go
can
with
play chords,
Tansen,
sir.
a great musician. Okay, let's go to this. And very sad news that Lata Mangeshkar, she has become COVID positive. Our Chief Minister, Karnataka Chief Minister, Bommai, Basavaraj Bommai is also COVID positive. Okay, but Lata Mangeshwar,
Basavaraj Bommai,
one of
sir.
the greatest singer, yes, one of the greatest singers, or we
Yes,
can
sir.
say greatest singer of India. Okay, fine. Let's
Hey,
come to
mere
this
button look.
lesson now. Some of the courtiers became jealous of Tansin. Why? He was a great musician, so that is the reason. And he was favorite of the Emperor Akbar, so that is the reason why they were so much jealous of Tansin. Yes, they were feeling envy or they were feeling jealous of Tansen. So a lot of jealousy here because he was very
Tansin.
talented. Yes. Who was very talented? Tansen was very
Yes.
talented. So envy of his talent, right, Yashan? So envy of his talent. Swar Kokila of India, right. I'm very happy that you are, yes, Swar Kokila of India. Who is Swar Kokila of India? That's a Lata Mangeshkar, right?
Mangeshkar.
Mangeshkar.
And Nightingale of India. Yes, Nightingale of India.
Mangeshkar.
Yes. Who is Nightingale of India? Huh?
Sarojini Naidu, sir.
Sarojini Naidu.
Nightingale of
Very
India.
good.
Sarojini
Very
Naidu.
good. Yes, very good. Yes, Sarojini
Sir,
Naidu.
Sarojini Naidu is Nightingale of India.
Nightingale of
Sir,
India.
Sarojini Naidu is
Sarojini Naidu. Tell
Nightingale
me.
of India.
Why Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu. You said Gan Kokila. Okay, and now Nightingale of India. So why can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
She has
because
written, beautiful poems.
Sir, because
she's
sir,
writing.
because she
Her
has
voice is
been by singer and a poet.
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
because
Sir,
No,
tell
it's a mainly
Satvik to speak slowly.
poetry. Okay, she has written
I
beautiful
will not.
poetry. That's the reason. Okay.
We can't
So
bear his voice, sir.
whose voice?
Satvik Shores.
Ah,
Sir,
Satvik
his
Shore
voice
voice.
is very
Satvik
loud for
Shores, sir.
us.
Okay, okay,
Sir.
okay. Fine, fine. No problem. Okay, hey, mere watan logo. Ah, Atharva. Very nice. Who has sung this? Hey, mere watan ke logo. Who has sung this? Lata
Yes, sir.
Mangeshkar has sung, isn't it?
Lata Mangeshkar.
Ah, very good. We shall never be able to see. हाँ हाँ जरा आंख में भर लो पानी ah so sweetly she has sung our eyes also will be full of yes we also start shedding the tear जरा आंख में भर लो पानी and it's on the martyrdom of our brave soldiers yes so beautiful yes I'm very happy that you must have been hearing all these songs and all and do listen to the music the melody of music and all that frustration, depression, everything will go away. Our life will be totally different, right? Okay. जो
Yes.
शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद
Yes,
करो.
sir.
Right, very good, yeah. I'm very happy that many of you, yes, very good that you listen to all these songs and all. You deserve to be in Chinese schools. Yes, my dear boys, you really deserve to be in Chinese schools. Okay. Ah, yes. Just a minute. Some boys waiting in the lobby. Yeah, okay. Why number is yes, very few are joined today, only 33. Why the number has gone down, examination is approaching, and this lesson is
Sir.
a very, very important lesson. Right? So let's move on to the lesson now. Shall we move on to the lesson? Yes, Satvik.
Because of
Okay, please welcome everyone
energy.
else, right. Okay, let's go ahead with this. So we shall
Please
never
join
be
me.
able to rest till Tansen is ruined. So all other courtiers, they were all those were there, ministers in the court and all the other courtiers and all. Yes, they were all jealous of him, and they thought that if he is ruined, other singers and all other musicians, if Tansen is ruined, then we'll gain the name and fame. Otherwise, Akbar, he's Tansen is favorite of Akbar, and then yes, one of the courtiers, Shaukat Mia, had a bright idea. So, what was his bright idea, Shaukat Mia? So, what was his idea? Let's hear. Let us make him sing Rag Deepak. So, let him sing Rag Deepak. What happens? Batch. Yes, your batch will be musical batch, right? Abhishek Padnad. This fellow is, creating some sort of yes when all others are very positive and very nicely they are adding and all chatting and this fellow Abhishek Padna yes again and again
Yes, sir. Abhishek Padla, sir.
uh,
Yes, sir. Again and again,
so
sir.
some fellows will be
Sir,
there very
our batch
naughty and
will
all
become musical
uh,
batch in history, sir. Science
yes
school history.
they will have bad time once they come over here okay Abhishek Padna keep
Yes,
it in
sir.
mind right okay so Shaukat Mia. So one of the courtiers, he comes out with the idea. What? Let us make him sing Rag Deepak. So pianist Atharva, right? So how will that help us? Asked another man. So Rag Deepak, if it is properly sung, then what will happen? If Rag, very important sentence, remember this. If Rag
Sir,
Deepak
the
is
all
properly
limbs will.
sung, so see the music of him was so powerful that if it is properly sung, what will happen? The air will become hot and the singer will be burned to ashes. So what will happen? Singer will die because the air will be so hot. So Satvik say yes. So singer, yes, it will be so hot that what will happen? The singer will burn to ashes. And Tansen is a very good singer. So Tansen is a very good singer. If he sings Rag Deepak, he will die. So what will happen to guess Tansen? Tansen, if he is a very good singer, and if he
Sir,
sings Rag Deepak, then he
sir,
will.
really, sir?
Huh?
If we, sir, is Rag Deepak very dangerous?
That's yes. That's why if it is sung properly, what will happen? The air will be so hot. See, one can light the lamp also. So it was very yes, it was quite dangerous, and that is the reason Shaukat Mia comes with this idea. So see, some
Yes,
of these
sir.
songs are so melodious. You see, some of
How is
those who
Rag
suffer from
Deepak?
so many distress and all, they can even get rid of it.
Sir,
So there is even therapy,
sir,
music
now also,
therapy.
sir, now also some people can sing, sir, Rag Deepak.
That I don't know whether some people can sing that rag Deepak, but anyway,
Sir, Rag Deepak,
yes.
sir, Rag Deepak is written or not, sir?
See here, it is singing. So what is it? It's singing. You learn from somebody. So over the period from one generation to another generation, you learn that, isn't it? So it is not that some of these singing and all that can be written. Songs can be written. Okay, raga is sung. Okay, ragas are the ones which are sung, right? So it's a
Yes, sir.
what is it? So right, vocal music,
Sir,
right? Classical vocal music. So if he sings Rag Deepak, he will die, and we will be rid of him. So we can get rid of him. So that is what. So if Rag Deepak is sung, so Tansen will do some kind of trick. So definitely see how Birbal was wise. Yes, Tansen was also wise. See, one of the James of this one. So, does he sing? Yes, he sings. But now Shaukat Mia thinks that, yes, what he thinks that in case if he sings, what will happen? He will die. And then we'll get rid of him. So, who was favorite of Akbar? Tansen was favorite of Akbar. Okay. So, Shaukat Mia went to Akbar and said, we don't think Tansen is a great singer. Let us test him. Let's have a taste. Tell him to sing Rag Deepak. Only the greatest singers can sing it properly. So what Shaukat Mia does, he goes to, yes, he goes to whom? He goes to Akbar and tells him that let Tansen sing Rag Deepak. Okay, boys, our time is up. So what we'll do, we'll stop here. Shall we stop here now? Yes.
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
What is that? What?
uh,
Ask me.